Boy, it's just great to feel good this morning when I've got a nurse here. Now, you are actually, your official title is?
A licensed practical nurse.
A licensed practical nurse. And you know something? There isn't anything better in the world than having a nurse call on you, because when you're in pain, or you've had an accident or fall, or you've got a disease of some sort, and when you've come out of the hospital, it's great to have the home health care from St. Elizabeth. They do a great job. And how long have you been with them?
Almost 3 years.
Almost 3 years. Well, it's a pleasure. And your name is?
Dena.
And how do you spell that?
D-E-N-A.
Okay, now we won't give the whole name because it's privacy, right? But we would like to say that all those folks out there that have questions about home health care, let me assure you of one thing. Home health care has kept me alive, and that's the most important thing to any nurse or doctor. And I do have wonderful doctors. Dr. K is the one that did my cardiac, or my pacemaker, and then did the reversion and what they had to do with my rhythm. Some got rhythm, some got rhythm, some haven't got rhythm. So when they bring you back into rhythm, it makes everything work a little better. And you come in and check on it and give us advice. And look over there what my wife made. June, open that refrigerator door. There's about 20 in there of little things just like this my wife made for me upon her advice, because I was getting too much sodium out of Propels. Now, not anything negative about Propels, but I don't need all that sodium. So June makes these little drinks for me out of what they call, June? Crystal Light. Crystal Light. Okay. And so I drink 4 of these a day, and maybe 1 Diet Coke from Kroger's, or what's the other company? Diet Root Beer, or as long as it's diet with no sodium in it, right?
Exactly, yeah.
No sodium in it. And they take my weight every day. We go in and do my weight and do my blood sugar. My blood sugar this morning was 109. Thanks to Dr. Ann Beers. Thanks to Dr. Neil Mosier. My lungs are working good with both of my breather things I take. Dr. Mosier's wife,
inhalers.
Inhalers. Use those. Dr. Mosier's wife, is running for state representative again.
I did not know that.
She is a state representative, and she does a beautiful job. Kim Mosier's her name. Kim Poor Mosier. Her father and I used to work together, and he was Secretary of Transportation for Kentucky, and I was Deputy Secretary for Transportation and Commissioner of Motor Vehicles for the state of Kentucky. Was tickled to be down there working as a Northern Kentucky in Kentucky. Now, I don't want to take too much of your time, but I did want to thank you for coming in today and watching over me with all the other workers that have come, thanking all of them today for the great job they've done from St. Elizabeth. And I appreciate it. Anything you'd like to tell folks?
Not right now.
Anything special we need to always do? We need to keep her.
St. Elizabeth Home Health.
St. Elizabeth Home Health. Absolutely. And St. Elizabeth hospice work too. They do excellent job there. And I would highly recommend it from what I've seen. Any other questions? Well, this is Travels with Dr. John Stephenson, former Superintendent of Education, Commonwealth of Kentucky. Now, join us on YouTube and Facebook. And have a great day, folks, and we love you. And you can reach me at 859-750-0000. Join me, and don't forget, listen to WIOK 107.5 FM on the radio dial, Tri-State Gospel, Post Office Box 50, Falmouth, Kentucky, 41040 zip code, where you get to hear the word of the Lord and the answer to the question, are you ready? Are you ready for Jesus? God bless you, and have a great day now. Don't forget, www.begottensson.com and www